So, we're here at the Boundary Creek boat drop, and we're in the wrecker, and here we are, walking down the staircase here. There's Dad, and you tie your boat off up there, slide it down, slide it down. There's Dad again. More little steps.
Would you like to get on a toboggan right up there?
No! Steps in here and the boat comes shooting off right there and hits the water. Come down here. The boat shoots off. You have people down here and they get it. Giant boats, massive boats. That. Okay, from clear up there, slid down here. There's now tied off up here. There's a million boats right here. Boats, boats, boats. Tons and tons. And that's my video.